This is my Lady Ascot. It's a little fan that I have. It's a very rare fan. So I was thinking, why not just do a video on it? So, yep, let's turn it on. I have it hooked up to my power bar. There's no switch on it, just a thing where you plug it in and it turns on. So I'm going to turn on my power bar, and it'll turn on. 3, 2, 1. Oh yeah, and it's pretty noisy. Alright, 3, 2, 1. As you can see, it is very loud. I'm not sure if you can even hear me. So yeah, it's really loud. I'm not sure if you could hear me speaking while it was doing that. And I put little googly eyes, so, oh yeah, if you didn't see. The googly eyes wiggle a bunch. Yep, and again, there's no switch. It's just a thing where you plug it in and it turns on. I'm just